In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view blocked senders in Outlook. We'll be using Outlook on the web, the version you open in your browser. The interface may vary slightly depending on your account type, but the labels we use here will be the same or very similar. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and look for the official Outlook website in the results. Click that result to open Outlook in your browser. Once the Outlook page loads, you should see your inbox. If your account is already signed in, you'll land right inside your mail. If you're asked to sign in, that's normal for some setups. Just continue into your mailbox so you can access settings. Next, look to the top right corner of Outlook for the small gear icon. This is the settings icon. Click it to open the settings panel. This panel provides quick options, but we want the deeper mail settings. In that panel, select Mail to open the full settings area where all mail-related options live. In the Mail settings, locate the Junk Email section. This area controls how Outlook handles suspicious or unwanted messages. Click Junk Email to open its options. Here, you'll see different controls that help you manage what arrives in your inbox versus your junk folder. Within the Junk Email page, look for the Senders area. This is where Outlook groups controls for which senders are allowed or blocked. Inside that area, choose Blocked Senders and Domains. This opens the exact place you need. Here, you can view the full list of email addresses and domains that you've blocked. Any address or domain shown in this list will have its messages filtered away from your inbox automatically, helping reduce unwanted mail. As you review the list, note that entries can be either full email addresses or entire domains. Domains end with things like .com or .org, and blocking a domain affects every address from that domain. If you're troubleshooting missing messages from someone you trust, checking this list is a quick way to confirm whether their address or domain has been blocked. If you don't see what you expect right away, give the page a second to load and make sure you're in the junk email area, not general layout or reading pane settings, since those sections look similar. That's all there is to it. By navigating to Settings, Mail, Junk Email, and then Blocked Senders and Domains, you can quickly view the list that controls which senders are blocked in Outlook on the web.